Let's get started, Master Designers. We got a big boss on the way. Tonight we're going to draw Oberus, one of the 6 legendary guardians of Vestroia. Come on. There. Now let's get started. This toy design is really interesting. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
It's always hard when the journey begins.
Hard to find your way, hard to make amends.
But there's nothing you can do, 'cause you got the power inside of you. It's never easy to make a choice.
Keep things inside, or raise your voice.
For everyone there comes a time when the light inside begins to shine.
Always right or wrong, as long as your spirit's strong. It's not always win-lose, it's the road you choose. The answer's within.
It's not always black and white.
Your heart always knows what's right. Let the journey begin.
So many choices. How do we know?
So many places. Where do we go?
What should I say?
What should I do?
Still we're together, me and you.
It's not always right or wrong, as long as your spirit's true. It's not always win-lose, it's the road you choose. The answer's within.
It's not always black and white.
Your heart always knows what's right.
Let the journey begin. Pokemon. There's nothing you can't do, 'cause you've got the power inside of you.
It's not always right or wrong, as long as your spirit's strong. It's not always win-lose.
Here's Oberus' panels.
The answer's within.
He looks like a
Always black and white. Your heart
moth mixed with a plant. Magic flower mixed with a dragon. Or at least a seahorse or a dragon. Or a leafy sea dragon. Alexa, what is a leafy sea dragon?
Here's something I found on the web. According to thegamer.com, leafy sea dragons are marine fish that live primarily in the waters surrounding Australia.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
It's always hard when the journey begins.
hard to find your way, hard to make amends.
But there's nothing you can do, 'cause you got the power inside of you. It's never easy
right. Let the journey begin. Pokemon. There's nothing you can't do, 'cause you've got the power inside of you. It's not always right or wrong, as long as your spirit's strong. It's not always win or lose, it's the road you choose. The answer's within. It's not always black and white. Your heart always knows what's right. Let the journey begin. Pokemon.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
It's always hard when the journey begins.
Hard to find your way, hard to make amends.
But there's nothing you can do, 'cause you've got the power inside of you. It's never easy to make a choice.
Keep things inside or raise your voice.
For everyone there comes a time when the light side begins to shine. It's not always right or wrong, as long as your spirit's strong. It's not always win or lose, it's the road you choose. The answer's within. It's not always black and white. Your heart always knows what's right. Let the journey begin.
And finished. That's how you draw oberus.
So many choices.
Look at that beautiful starfish. Finally got it finished. Oh, and there's more like this on the way, and trust me. You guys want to see more? Well, you can check out the Bakugan playlist down in the comments below, and I promise there'll be more like this on the way. That's all the time I have for now. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know which character you want to draw next in the comments below. Thank you, see you later, and good night.